Today we'll show you how to download Runescape 3 completely for free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Type in Runescape 3 download on your search engine or browser device and click on their main website, download Runescape. In this case, there's a couple different options. You can click download directly and Runescape is going to download on your computer or PC device, or you can scroll down and download for your selected device, in this case Windows. And as we can see here, Jagex installer has now been installed, so we're going to open this up. And since I already have it installed, I'm going to pull it up on the computer. Jagex installer application. Now, in order to play RuneScape 3, you're going to have a Jagex account. In this case, if you don't have an account, you're going to download it and you should be opened up to the screen. Go to the top left hand screen and see RuneScape. And now you can play or you can install RuneScape 3 completely for free.